Ever wondered why blueberries are considered a superfruit? These tiny powerhouses are more than just a sweet treat. They're packed with multiple health benefits that can provide a significant boost to your well-being. So, let's dive in and explore the wonders of blueberries. Blueberries have a rich history and origin. These tiny powerhouses first sprouted in North America, where indigenous tribes revered them for their nourishing qualities and used them in traditional medicine. European settlers quickly adopted the fruit, integrating it into their diets and culture. The cultivation of blueberries took a leap in the early 20th century, when botanists learned to domesticate the wild shrubs, and from such humble beginnings, blueberries have now become a global superfruit. So, what makes blueberries a superfruit? Well, it's all about the nutrients they offer. Each tiny blueberry is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals that contribute significantly to our health. Firstly, they're rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect our bodies from damaging free radicals. This vitamin also plays a crucial role in boosting our immune system and promoting skin health. Next, we have vitamin K1, also known as phylloquinone. This vitamin is vital for blood clotting and can support bone health. If you're looking to strengthen your bones, adding blueberries to your diet is a tasty way to do it. Lastly, let's talk about manganese. This mineral is essential for the body's enzyme function. It aids in the metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol, glucose, and carbohydrates. Plus, it plays a role in bone formation. As you can see, blueberries pack a nutritional punch. They're not just a sweet treat, but a delightful way to nourish our bodies with essential nutrients. But what does this mean for your health? Well, let's dive right in. Blueberries, though tiny, pack a significant health punch. They are brimming with antioxidants, those wonderful warriors that help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. This means blueberries can help protect against aging and diseases like cancer. But the benefits don't stop there. These berries are also champions when it comes to brain health. They have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function, thanks to the flavonoids they contain. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can positively affect the brain's signaling pathways. Heart health, too, is another area where blueberries shine. Their high fiber content, along with the powerful anthocyanins, can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, a key player in heart disease. Also, the potassium in blueberries can support heart health by maintaining a steady heartbeat and reducing blood pressure. Clearly, these tiny berries are a powerhouse of health benefits. Now that you know how beneficial blueberries are, how can you incorporate them into your diet? Well, the options are endless. Start your day with a blueberry smoothie, or sprinkle them on your oatmeal. They're also a great addition to salads, providing a burst of flavor. And who could forget about desserts? From pies to muffins, blueberries can take your sweet treats to the next level. With so many ways to enjoy blueberries, incorporating them into your diet should be a breeze. In conclusion, blueberries are not just tasty, but they're also packed with numerous health benefits. From their rich nutritional profile to their wide-ranging health advantages, these tiny powerhouses certainly punch above their weight. So why not incorporate blueberries into your diet and reap the benefits of this superfruit?